Hello friends, postman just knocked on the door, gave me a little bit of a surprise. I received this package here. It's only got 2 plates on it, but that's enough for me to do a quick and dirty for you. So we have a haul today, not just a review, and that is exciting. So I've got 2 different brands they came from the same store though. So Dijit. I'm so bad with transliterated Chinese letters. I have no idea how to pronounce them. I'm so sorry. ZHECHENG-JO2, and this is an alphabet. It is in a weird order, but it is an alphabet. So these should be fun. And then I have major digit number 38, and this is a different one than I've seen kind of before. A lot of major digit skull plates, a lot of major digit really traditional plates with like lacy images and stuff. But this one is a bunch of aminals all around the world. And we have some animals in here. And this is probably great for when I master that elusive enlargement technique. I can shrink images all the livelong day, but not really great at enlarging them, which stinks because that's normally what I need to do. Speaking of images to enlarge, we have a lot of images to enlarge here. So I will, I guess, attempt it. But this is pretty cool. We have 2 giraffes, a mommy and a baby, in the starlight, I think. I'm not actually sure if that's a tree or a baby giraffe. It is just too small. So here is maybe a chihuahua, a furry chihuahua, or a papillon dog. We are not quite sure. So the best thing to do is to swatch it. Let's swatch these, shall we? I'm going to recycle this. We're going to get this blue off. And we're going to get the other blue off. Oh, that came off much cleaner. That's nice. I like it when they do that. All right. I've got me paper and me paper towel. And we'll start with the alphabet, shall we? We've got my trusty green stamper. I bought this in 2 pieces. As I've been asked before, this pink part came from an eBay sale. It was just a couple bucks, and it was only worth a couple bucks because the actual top is like real rubber or something. It stamped one image and it never came off the rubber. It was terrible, terrible, terrible. But B Loves Plates has a great stamping head that fits this, and I've never looked back once I bought that one. Sometimes they have it in stock, sometimes they don't. I hope they do. Pretty soon. They were out the most recent time that I have checked. So I'm going to swatch before I clean, just to find out if it is swatchable before you clean. They get extra points for that in the review. Oh my. Oh my, oh my. Let's see if this is even gonna... Well, I guess it is, huh? Well, I waited too long. I certainly did. But, you see there, it did at least come off. And here's what we got. Whoa! That doesn't make anybody happy. Little fragments came off on the paper. And you can't see the letters. So let's see if I can do a better job of this in smaller pieces. I do not wish to disappoint you. But I am going to use a slightly different scraper. Let's see. Don't mean to reach across there. There we go. Let's try this one. Yep, I thought so. All right. Watch your P's and Q's. Ha ha ha. All right, so let's see. That is fun. So all the letters would look somewhere along those lines. I think that gives us a pretty good approximation. I don't have numbers on this plate, and I did not see a numbers plate in this style. It would have been really fun if they had, but they don't, at least not right now. I'll set that aside. And now we're going to get on to this. I'm a little more interested in being complete with this particular stamp being plate, because the first thing I want to be complete with is this. This one needs a little one again, I guess. Oh, it knocked. I don't know if you saw that, but that particular one, it knocked out the stamping head. Okay, so I did get that whole image though, so let's see that. That is fun. There's a ram, there's an emu or an ostrich, there's a bear, there's a deer, there's an elephant, there's a giraffe, there's a lion. A lot of fun animals there. And inside the earth shape, now the way that I would play this one out is I would use Scotch tape to remove those shapes inside, because this image here of the animals going around the world is really fun. And I have a map plate that is more like the map of the sea, like a sea chart, and that would be fun. I can see a Manny kind of coming to life. Kind of like a Dr. Dolittle floating zoo kind of situation. Maybe not, but it's just an idea. Anyway, so I've got that one. Now let's see about some of these other images on here. Now I want to swatch this dog and gorilla in black, I had decided. I want to get them. All right. This is fun. Wow, that's great. Great quality. Look at those fine lines and details on those images. That's absolutely great. So let's get a few more images here, shall we? Turn over the paper to keep it visible to you. Let's randomly see what's here, shall we? Now I did wait too long on that one. But that's clearly a tiny little bird. Now this would be fun. I mean, clearly these can be made into decals for little fingers. It would be fun for a birthday or something if somebody got really fancy decals. I wanted to find out what this was. And I might have to use the camera to find out. Oh, cats. Oh, very cool. Wow. It would be great if I knew how to enlarge this. The one technique out of everything, well, two techniques out of everything that I've learned so far, cannot water marble, cannot enlarge. So I've watched all the videos. All my friends have tried to teach me, and I just can't do it. So I'm sure eventually I will learn. I'm not fatalist about it or anything. I just haven't been able to do it yet. But I'm sure if I get enough Braves Diva nails polish, then nothing will stop me from water marbling. Because her stuff, water marble's like a dream. I watch everybody do it. Alright, one or two more of these. That's a beautiful lion. Look at that. Alright. I want to know what this one is up here. These are fun because it's like a discovery. You don't know what you're actually swatching until you've swatched it. I'm already running out of this polish. Alright. Oh, this is a Sahara of some sort. Savannah, I mean. Alright. So let's say we did it again. That's alright. We got the images to survive. So let's see what these are. Shall we discover together? Alright. So we've got elephants. We've got like a little squirrely thing. Or a chinchilla. What on earth is that? I have no idea what that is with the mustache and... Oh my. Oh my. And then this one... I can't see. Oh well. I knock at the door, but it essentially reminded me that I am... spending a lot of time examining these images on what is supposedly a quick and dirty review. So I'm sure I've run over time, but we have discovered this plate 38 together, and there are more discoveries to be made if you choose to get it yourself. Anyway, so thank you for joining me today. This is number 6 out of 30 in my daily quick and dirty, and thank you for coming by. Subscribe if you want to see my other videos. You can click on the bell and it'll tell you when I've produced another one. You'll get that daily alert for the next 30 days or so. And then who knows what after that, maybe twice a week. Anyway, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Most likely tonight. See you later. Thanks for joining me.